हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है और मैं हूँ विश्वास बुदाले। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग सब्जेक्ट में प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ सॉलिड्स के बारे में। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने एक क्वेश्चन देखा था प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ सॉलिड्स का। आज हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। चलो फिर देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं इस क्वेश्चन में दिया है सॉलिड है स्क्वायर पिरामिड, साइड ऑफ बेस 40 mm, एक्सिस लेंथ 60 mm, हैज़ वन ऑफ द साइड ऑफ बेस ऑन HP, हैज़ वन ऑफ द साइड ऑफ बेस ऑन द HP। तो ये सेंटेंस है, इसलिए हम इसका टॉप व्यू फर्स्ट ड्रॉ करेंगे। मीन्स दिस स्क्वायर पिरामिड, एज यू कैन सी दिस स्क्वायर पिरामिड resting on HP like this, right? So in top view you can see shape like this, right? This is top view of square pyramid which is resting on HP. So this is XY line. The top view of square pyramid, take considerable distance. This is XY line. Draw simple square. Right. Take each side of base 40 mm. This is 40. This is 40. Make sure all sides are 90 degree. Square pyramid. Join this corner point. So you can see slant edges. This point is O. This is, I'll write here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take axis, projection of this axis. Right. So after taking these projections, mark here point 1 dash 2 dash. This point is 3 dash 4 dash. Mark here axis height. Axis length is given, that is 60 mm. So mark here axis height. Mark axis height 60 mm. Right. This point is O dash. Has one of the side of base in the HP. तो इसलिए हमने ये इस तरह ड्रॉ किया है क्योंकि आगे चल के इस पिरामिड को जब भी हम इंक्लाइन करेंगे तो इस एज के ऊपर रेस्ट होगा, आप देख सकते हैं। So take considerable distance and mark here point 3 1 dash 4 1 dash. Axis of the solid is inclined to the HP, that is 30 degree. As the axis inclination is 30 degree, so we will take base inclination. How much? 60 degree. Okay. So take protector. So from this point you measure angle 60 degree. Right. After that take this much radius in compass. Right. From this point you mark point 1 1 dash 2 1 dash. This center also you can mark. I'll write center P dash here. Then draw axis perpendicular to base. Keep protector like this and mark here 90 degree point, right? And draw this axis. After that you mark axis height, that is 60 mm. Otherwise you can take this much radius in compass, this slant radius, this much radius you can take, and from this point you mark this. This is O1 dash. Then join this. So this is second position of pyramid. It is resting on edge of base it is resting on one of the side of base. It is resting on one of the side of base, that is 3 dash 4 dash is the side. Axis inclination is 30 degree. As we have drawn, base inclination is 60 degree. So this angle is 90. So axis inclination is 30 degree. So with this, we have drawn here second position front view of square pyramid resting on edge, axis 30 degree inclined to HP. So take projections for top view. Extend this center projection. Right, now you mark here intersection point. As you can see here, 1 dash, this point is 1 1, 2, this point is 2, this is 2 1 dash, here this point is 2 1, 3 3 1 dash, here this point is 3 1, this last point is 4 1. Mark here O1 dash, and here is center of that axis, center of base, that is P1. Now see, remember this is top view. So top view, the position of observer is here. So from this side, as you can see, 1 1, 2 1 dash and O1 dash. First we join those lines and O1 dash. Alright, this you first join. After that, draw bounding edges. So I will draw here this 1 4, this one, and this lines. Right, these bounding edges, and this bottom edge is hidden, completely hidden. That is because from top view this is invisible. Right, this is last edge, so that's why it is hidden. And here is the axis. Actually this is true length of axis, and this is apparent length. You can see it is in top view, so it is PL. In this question they said that 45 degree inclined, axis 45 degree inclined to VP, axis 45 degree inclined to VP. So please carefully see this procedure. So first you mark here one reference point, take protractor, measure angle 45 degree, right? Take one at some convenient distance, mark here point P1, जरा से ऊपर की तरफ मार्क करेंगे. Right, this is P1. From P1, first you take this axis length. Right, first you measure this axis length in compass. Right, and from this point you mark here 1 dash. Right, so remember this is true length of axis, which is inclined 45 degree to VP. After you draw locus of O1 dash, or say it is O1, locus of O1 dash, O1, and after that you measure this PL length in compass, take this much radius in compass, and from this point you cut this locus. Right, now for the next, take this as an axis. I'll write here O2, and this is P2. Right, so I will take this line as this line, and I will construct this whole view here by taking this line as a reference. So first draw one perpendicular line to this axis. Very carefully you draw. Next, measure this radius in compass. This much radius. Mark here. After that, take this much radius. And after you join this. So this point is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2 and 4, 2. Right? After that you take projections for the final front view. Right? First you locate here the intersection point. Please see here, this is front view from this direction, right? So 1, 1, 1 dash. Take projection of this view also. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. This is point 1, 2 dash. Next, this is 2. This point is 2, 2 dash. 3, 3, 2 dash. 4, 4, 2 dash, right? So from this side, this base is completely visible. So I will draw visible lines. Then mark apex. O2 and center of base. This is P2. This is the axis. Now these are the bounding edges. From this side, this edge is this edge is hidden from this side, so I will use hidden line, right? So from this side, as you can see, this is completely behind this object, all right, this edge. So this edge is hidden. So I hope you understand. So you please try this. Alright. So if you have any doubt, so please reply. Thank you.